I'm super happy to say that the first ever episode of Gaeilge Weekly I Bhfad Níos Simplí is now available on Spotify and other streaming platforms. Gaeilge Weekly I Bhfad Níos Simplí is a completely bilingual podcast. Everything is said in both fairly simple Irish and also in English, and it means that for the first time ever in history, you can listen to a podcast in Irish regardless of your level in the language. You could be a native speaker, or you could be in your first week of learning Irish, and you can listen to this podcast, follow along, and hopefully pick up a lot from it. Over the last 15 months, we've been really happy with how Gaeilge Weekly, the fully fluent version and the simpler version, have been doing, but we also know and get a lot of messages from people saying even the Níos Simplí version can be quite tricky for them, and comprehension, audio comprehension in general in Irish is normally perceived as the toughest part of the language. Hopefully, I Bhfad Níos Simplí makes Irish and podcasts in Irish a lot more accessible to more people, not only in Ireland, but around the world. Check out episode 1 today of I Bhfad Níos Simplí at the link above or below, depending on where you might be watching this video. Gurmín na Maggie.